We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi guys, welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. So I'm back with tea coasters. Going to make a super easy gift idea for Christmas. Yes, Christmas themed coasters. So without wasting any moment, let's get started. So at first, let's prepare our coasters by applying gesso on both the sides and then quickly making the rough sketches. So I have planned to make a set of 6 Christmas coasters. We have a reindeer, snowman, Santa Claus, an elf, Christmas tree and a polar bear. Let's start with the painting now. I went with the bright light blue acrylic paint for the background. This color totally gives the wintry cool vibes. Applying shades of this blue to all of them. Darker shade behind the polar bear and then moving towards the main characters. Using acrylic paints here. Starting with the skin color. Gonna apply it wherever needed, like on Santa's face, elf's face and ears. And then with a little darker shade of that skin color, I'll show the shadows on face on one side, just like this. So till it dries, painting nose of polar bear with grey. And now, it's the time to add the red color. Painting it to our snowman's Santa cap, muffler and to Santa's cap and dress, and also for elf and polar bear's clothings. Again, with the darker shade of the red, I'll show some shadows on the places needed. Well, red and green colors are the traditional colors of Christmas, so I'm surely gonna use them. Okay, so same for these as well. Slowly, I'll add the highlights, shadows and detailing. And then outline them with black. This pops up our characters, looking cute. I also gave a snowfall type feel for the background of polar bear, looking cool na? So moving further, I'll now start with the rest. Following the same steps, adding base color and then showing shadow and highlights with lighter and darker shades. And then outlining it with black. These coasters are so easy to make. Definitely give it a try. A perfect last minute Christmas present. Now with the shades of brown, I will paint the reindeer. And then adding a few strings of Christmas lights entangled around the antler. Cause we all know, reindeers can be a bit clumsy around sparkly things. Okay, a last final touch-ups and our coasters are ready. All seem to be happy and cute. Loved them all. Well, DIY not over yet. A last step is remaining. That is, securing these coasters by pouring resin on them. Yeah, so you can stop here or add a coat of varnish, but I'm gonna pour resin to get a glossy, shiny and protective surface. And it is ready. Last minute Christmas themed coasters for Christmas presents. Hit the like button if you love my video and share it with your friends and family. Comment down your views on this video and thank you so much for watching till the end. Merry Christmas everyone!